This tutorial will show you how to start the Windows Media recording as a backup recording for classes conducted in the Siebel Center. First, on the desktop, find the shortcut to the appropriate class folder. Open that. Then double-click on the Windows Media Encoder template. This will start Windows Media Encoder. Before the class begins, click on Start Encoding. When the recording has started, you'll see audio levels on this meter here, and you'll also see this green progress bar move. When the class is over, click Stop to end the recording. The next step is you will need to change the name of the file for the next lecture. To do that, click on Properties, then the Output tab, and then change the number here. In the file name, the first number is the course number. In this case, it's 573. The second number, in this case 1, is the lecture number. For the next lecture, we're going to change that 1 to a 2. Click Apply, and then Save. And then you can close Windows Media Encoder. This tutorial will show you how to do backup recordings for classes conducted in the Yay Center over at Newmark using the web interface for the Epiphan Lecture Capture Appliance. To start the encoding, click the checkbox next to Recorder Enabled, then click Apply. The browser will think for a few moments, and it should take you to the next screen. To confirm that the recording has started, go ahead and refresh the browser. Click Resend, and you should then see a recording highlighted in green to indicate that the recording has indeed started. Once you confirm that, go ahead and click on Live View. This will take you to a live stream coming from the room, which will display the projector video, and you should hear the instructor's audio too. This is important because we need to make sure that the instructor is wearing his microphone and that it's powered on. Once you get confirmation of projector video and the instructor's audio, go ahead and click Back within the browser to take you back to the recording screen. To stop the recording, uncheck the box next to Recorder Enabled, and you'll then see that the recording is no longer highlighted in green to indicate that it has stopped. This tutorial will show you how to operate the camera controls for classes conducted in both Siebel Center and in Newmark using the web interface for the classroom camera. You can steer the camera using these arrow buttons here to move the camera in increments, or there's a pull-down menu that has several camera presets. Here you can zoom in on the cabinet where the instructor stands, or you can go to a wide shot. You can also click anywhere within the image window to recenter the camera. Or you can click and drag a box around the area that you want framed. Another option is you can move the camera, you can zoom the camera out or zoom the camera in if you need to. We suggest that you keep a medium wide shot that keeps the instructor somewhat centered in the frame, but allows enough room for him or her to move around without a whole lot of rapid camera movements, which can be distracting to the viewer. This tutorial will show you how to do audio switching in classes conducted in the Siebel Center using the web interface for the audio switcher. The default value should always be set to room audio. That will be the main microphone that the instructor will wear, the wireless lapel microphone, and that will give you the best audio. There's another microphone in the room pointed out toward the students, which is called the shotgun microphone. You can switch to that whenever you hear student questions, comments, or if the instructor has a dialogue with the students. However, we prefer that you leave the audio on room audio as often as possible because, again, that will be the instructor's main microphone.